I try to learn how to render an object by using Blender. We can see we have imported object into the Blender. The object name named long dress, and I also add five cameras with different position. We can see the front, back, left, right, and other position. Now I try to use the first position, first camera, to render the object by using this position. I try to click render image to start the rendering. I have no GPU on this computer, so I just try to use CPU to do the rendering. Actually, the speed is not so slow. Oh, okay. We finished the rendering and got a colorful picture with this model. We can also use other camera to do the similar thing. For example, if I try to use this position and render image, I can also render the model with this angle. It will take some seconds. This time not so fast. We're almost done. Now, look, we finished the rendering. This time we use this camera. Okay, that's it.